you. This? Say cheese. Say thank you. What is that? Come over here. Look right here. Look right here. Want to play? Uh-oh. Good job. Is it heavy? Thank you. Thank you. Good job. Ooh, that's cool. Rescue exertion. You want to get one? Ooh, look at all the sharks and stuff. Dinosaur eggs. Dinosaur and shark dig. Cool. Come over here. Ooh, look at this one. You won't believe it. Roar. The horse? The horse? This one? So cool. Put it back. Okay, here. Here, put it in your cart. Put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. Pick up the dinosaur too. Get the dinosaur. Right here, this one. You don't want this one? Look how cool this one is. Look. No? No dinosaur? Ooh, look. The Mega Dino Tub. You already have a whole bunch of these ones, though.
No.
Okay, let's go see somewhere else. Let's go over here. Ooh, look at all the Nerf guns. Look. Roar. What does the dinosaur say? Roar. Oh, that's Mickey Mouse. That's Bugs Bunny. Oh, look at the Toy Story. Wow, look at these ones. Look at these ones. Aww. Wow, those are cool. Friend. Dino. Wow. That's cool. Fortnite. Ooh, Minecraft and Mario. Wow, look at this dino egg. And it lights up. But what about this one? Whoa. Fine. Let me see. Cool. Minecraft. That's cool. Okay, put it on the cart. Good job. Okay, let's go over here. This way. Wow. Is that a duck? Is that a hippo?
What's this thing?
Hot Wheels. Cars. What's the car say? Vroom vroom. Got a Monster Jam Dirt Squad?
No.
There's not a lot of toys here, huh? Oh, look at this one. Wow. Wow. You want to get it? Let's get it. Pick it up. It's a real life robotic pet. It's real. Wow, they're skeletons. Right here, look. Surprise dino. Yeah, grab some of those. Super rare. Ooh. No, you don't want one of those? Let's get some. There's 10 to collect. 1. Here, 2. Alright, let's just get 2 since you're 2. How old are you? 2. Good job. Is that a zebra? What is that? A hippo? Good job. There's no water. Okay, come on, let's go find something else. There's a whole bunch of toys, huh? Wow, these are all the Legos. You want to get a Lego? What about this? Lego City?
No, not that.
This one?
No.
No? Which one do you want to get? Cool. Pig. Let's get that one. Put it in the cart.
No, you're fine.
Cool. Okay, what other ones? Dinosaur? You want to get it? Pick it up. Oh, you got to put the egg on the cart. Baby dinosaur? Cool. What else? What else are we gonna get? Tiger? Wow. That's Mickey Mouse. Oh, that's a dog. Woof woof. Yeah, Mickey Mouse. Okay, what about down here? Oh, that's Frozen. Want to get that one? Yeah, let's get it. We're going to build all of these. What about this dinosaur one? That one looks cool, huh? Want to get it? Baby dinosaur. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow. Okay, put it in the cart. Let's go. So we can go home and open it. Good job. What's the dog say? Good job. You don't want any popcorn? Is that a horse? What does a horse say? Nay. Cool. Spider-Man? Oh look, Flying Squirrel. You want to get some of those? Mystery figure? Wow, Ryan's egg. Wow, look at PJ Masks. Wow. that Peppa? Cool. Come this way. Uh-oh, everything's falling out. You want to get some dump trucks? Cool. 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 All right, come this way, baby. This way. Put it in there. Put it in the cart. Want to get one of these ones too? Which one did you get? Come on, baby, this way. Cool. Ooh, look, kinetic sand. Kinetic sand. We love sand, huh? Or Play-Doh? What kind of sand do you want? The shimmer sand? This way, baby.